I'm hearing you say that that contract is still under discussion. It has not been finalized yet. Do you have any idea where, when, or how this will be finalized?
I think the last part of it is an exemption of the LNT law for the management team of AAA. One, we are obligated to recruit a CEO for the airport as part of our cooperation agreement with Aruba. We cannot find someone for the salary or the limited salary under the LNT law. So in order for us to get
that is the one that's supposed to be coming in next year.
Correct.
So you're still looking for that one? But
Correct.
Because of the LNT, that hampers the search for that new person.
Correct. We can't place a CEO here if their salary and compensation package is limited by the LNT law.
Okay, go ahead.
So if we can't do that, it's the opinion of the team at Schiphol that we can't extend our agreement. So that agreement extension relies on that LNT exemption for the CEO. We've also requested and think it's prudent that several of the management team also be exempted. But this is, of course, a political decision now that gets taken. And when I don't know at this moment where that is. But as soon as that gets resolved, I think there's maybe some small issues that need to be resolved outside of that, but they're not insurmountable. We expect the agreement to be signed and extended. We're looking forward to that happening, but we still are pending some of those final details.